Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable Gmail conversation view on desktop PC. So a quick info about Gmail conversation view on desktop. So this is the group's related emails, replies, and forwards with the same subject line into a single chronological train, making it easier to follow and the flow of a conversations. So if you want to turn on or off a Gmail conversation view on your desktop, we'll show you a quick way to do that. So stay tuned and let's get started. So all you have to do is open up your Gmail app on your computer. And then once you open up here at your Gmail account, and then you need to click this icon settings beside your Google account profile, and then you need to click. And the next step, then you need to scroll down, find and locate this email trending, and then you can see now this conversation view. To enable or disable Gmail conversation view, you just need to check the box next the conversation view to enable. So you can see this box and then you need to check and then pop up this notifications. Then we need to reload and then tap this reload and then we will wait. And then after that, then we need to check again. So click this icon settings and then you need to scroll down again. And you can see now that conversation view is already enabled. Or otherwise, uncheck it if you want to disable it. And also, if this enable Gmail conversation view, the Gmail automatically groups emails with the same subject line together. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on desktop settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Gmail guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.